benzoic acid, in case of the benzoic acid, pi bond here, pi bond, double bond O minus, here H plus 1. This is the benzoic acid actually. So here actually if the conjugate base is more stable, then more acidic actually. If conjugate base is more stable, more acidic. Okay. Now here in this case here, this is not much stabilized by the resonance. Okay. So why? Because in this one, this benzoate ion also involved in resonance with this pi bond. Resonance with the pi bond. This pi bond here. O minus, this one O minus. Here plus charge. So actually here, if the negative charge is more dispersed, okay, if the negative charge is more dispersed, the conjugate base is more stable. Okay, of course the anion is more stable. Okay, for an anion, if the negative charge is more dispersed, the negative charge is more dispersed on the atoms, then it is a more stable. Here, this negative charge is dispersed with C double bond O. Okay, no? There is a dispersal of the negative charge. But here in this case, whenever benzene ring is attached, this dispersal of the negative charge is very less. This dispersal of the negative charge is very less. Okay, no? Why? Because this benzene ring is coming into the resonance with the CO group. Okay, this benzene ring coming into the resonance with the C double bond O group. Then here this CO group conjugation with O minus decreases. It means here there is a less dispersal of the negative charge. There is a less dispersal of the negative charge. Okay. So here this benzene ring involved in a conjugation with CO, then we can say this benzene ring stopping the dispersal of the negative charge. Okay. So if there is no conjugation, if there is no conjugation with benzene ring, then this C double bond O is only involved in a conjugation with O minus. Then we can see there is a more dispersal of the negative charge. Okay, there is a more dispersal of the negative charge. Okay, so now here in this case, whenever introducing one ortho substituent, okay, whenever introducing one ortho substituent, so because of the repulsions, nothing but Serre effect. Okay, due to Serre effect, the conjugation with benzene ring decreases. The conjugation with benzene ring decreases. Okay, the main aim is to stop the resonance with the benzene ring. Okay, if you stop the resonance with the benzene ring, then this negative charge is only involved in a conjugation with the CO group. I mean, this CO group is only involved in conjugation with CO. That means O minus. That means that there is a more dispersal of the negative charge. Whenever this benzene ring coming into the resonance with CO group, then the negative charge dispersal decreases. So our aim is stopping the resonance with the benzene ring. So by introducing the one ortho substituent, either donating group or withdrawing group, we can stop the resonance with the CO group and benzene. We can stop the resonance between benzene and CO group. Okay, then acidic nature increases. If there is a more dispersal of the negative charge, then the conjugate base, anion is more stable. The conjugate base is more stable, the corresponding one is a more acidic. So by introducing any substituent at ortho position, we can stop the resonance with the benzene ring. Then ultimately that will be more acidic, irrespective of the nature of the group actually. So if you see in this case, which is a more acidic one, COOH and G means here one group, COH, irrespective of its nature. Okay, this is called as the ortho effect. This is called as the ortho effect. Any ortho substituted benzoic acids are more acidic than the benzoic acid. That is called as the ortho effect. Because here due to Serre effect, steric inhibition of resonance, this COOH is not in conjugation with the benzene. Then in the conjugate base, only O minus involved in a conjugation with the CO. Okay, so there is a more dispersal of the negative charge. Then more stable conjugate base. Ultimately, ortho substituted benzoic acid more acidic. That is known as the ortho effect. Okay, yeah. Now here, irrespective of nature, so see this one. COOH and CH. Okay, C over H and CH. COH, CH. COH and CH. Okay, now which is more acidic? This one, A is a more acidic one because of the ortho effect. And next here, apply the electronic effect. It is a plus pi group at meta position only. It is a plus pi group at the meta position only. Okay. Now here plus pi and plus H. So because of the plus H effect, acidic nature more decrease, and because of the plus effect, acidic nature decreases. Now here unsubstituted acid is more acidic. Next meta, that means B, and then D, and then C. Okay. So only here ortho-substituted benzoic acid is more acidic, irrespective of the nature of the group. And for remaining compounds, apply the electronic effect. Okay.